Come on, do bumble. All right. Leroy McMichael is our beginning. Earl McMichael gives us our winnings. Grandfather Richard McMichael forgives us our sinnings. Cheikh, Amadou Bamba, Jeffrey Cheikh and Ndigeuel. I'm back, Cheikh Becho. This is Serene Salute approved. This is called the tuba. See that? That's crazy, right? On one side, Serene Salute on the other side. Anyway, so that's the classroom. Okay, Zaylen, that is Grandpa Leroy McMichael. Welcome to Your History 101. Our history. Our story. I don't give a shit that you got an A in American. It really, I can give a shit. Thank you. Kayla, that is Leroy McMichael. That is your grandpop. That is your great-grandpop. That is your great-great-grandpop. So it's Leroy McMichael, grandpop, great-grandpop, Earl McMichael, great-great-grandpop, Richard McMichael, great-great-great-grandpop across the waters in Senegal, West Africa. Cheikh Amadou Bamba. Get over it. It is what it is. Now, his grandson, Serene Salute, his greatest disciple, Cheikh Fall. Stay tuned for more details. Hold on. That is your grandmom, Deborah, who passed today. She passed today. When she transitioned today, that's all your grandmoms in one loop. Look at that. 3 generations here. We in the building. Look at that. Okay, hold on. All right, so we got Grandma Deborah Stewart Pearson. Straighten up. Straighten it out. Straighten out. Or maybe not. Maybe not. Don't straighten up. There's Deborah Stewart Pearson. Then there. Gladys coming in. Gladys Dunkerson. That's great-great-grandma Gladys Dunkerson. Dun, 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 dun. Bang it. And then, out of nowhere, it comes in Dorothea Bohanna. Dorothea Bohanna, the great-great-grandma. Bang. So you got 3 generations of women standing there as well. Oh, wait a minute. Hold up. Wait a minute. Don't forget over here, McMichael's side. Let's go over to the shrine. Let's take it over to the shrine over here to the side where the shrine is. We want to talk to your great-great-grandmother. Oh, in the building. Look at that. Ain't she gorgeous? Ain't she gorgeous? Look at her. All right. That is Emma McMichael. That would be your great-great-grandmother, Emma McMichael. And then, I don't know. Oh, we deep. We deep in the bit. Look at that. Bang, bang, zoom. Look at that. We got Emma Viola Dowling, great-great-grandmom in the building. Look, hold on, that's great-grandma. Great-great-grandma. Great-great-great-grandma Viola Dowling. Look at that in the whip. They in the old school. Let me get the side view on that, the profile. Look at that. Look at Grandpa Earl with the slider. Look. They in the whip, too. No flag. Oh, They know about it. They know about it. When it's heck, saying it. In his head. Great. Anyway. So you got generations going on right there, all right? In the building. And in this episode, we'll be back. Know your history. That's your history. I'm an African. All right, tell me in the building.